The fastest way you can cut videos inside of these non-linear editors, either Premiere Pro or DaVinci Resolve, is to leverage on what is called Ripple Edit from Playhead or Ripple Edit to Playhead. If you go over to keyboard shortcuts and you type in Playhead, there are two options that you are going to see. Ripple Trim Next Edit to Playhead, which is W, and Ripple Trim Previous Edit to Playhead, which is Q. These are the most important things you need for cutting clips. In addition to this, you will need Add Edit. Usually, for you to add a cut here, you would need to use the razor tool, right? And you just insert a cut. So if you check now, I've inserted a cut here like this. This is a very rookie way to add cuts inside of Premiere Pro or maybe DaVinci Resolve. So since we are using Premiere Pro, let me just stick with Premiere Pro at the moment. The best way for you to do this faster is to use the tool called Add Edit tool. In your own software, Add Edit would be Ctrl K, but I've already customized mine to be X. This is because I just need to tap one button and have a cut in there. So let me show you how you get this done. You can have more than one track, so I don't care. Probably the way I like to do it is to have my talking head first, then do the clean cut for the talking head. This way, I don't need to be selecting the layers that I want to trim. So if I bring in my CTI, which is the Playhead here like this, all I need to do is to tap X. It's Add and Edit, which means it puts a cut, right? If I want to remove all of this section, I just place it here. Then I'll tap Q. What informs me that it is Q I need to tap? When I want it to Ripple Trim from the cut to the Playhead, these cuts that we have here to the Playhead, I'll just tap Q. It removes it, right? So let's say I have it here like this and I want to remove all of this section. What am I going to do? The same thing from the cut to the Playhead, Q. And because for the most part, you edit moving from your left to your right, you will spend most of the time using Q. Just X, Q, X, Q, X. So you are seeing what you have on the waveform as you play to listen. If you see the error, you just X, you push it to the place that you want to trim or Q, just with two clicks. Now there are times where maybe as you're listening, you're listening, oh, there are things I missed, right? So let's say I've already edited to this point and then I come back here and I see, I think I want to remove this section. All I need to do is to ask myself, from the cut to the Playhead, I used Q. So if the Playhead is now behind the cut, you do the reverse, W. It's gone. So just imagine doing this fast and like, it's a no-brainer actually. Just practice it. When you do this before long, you see yourself spending less time editing a 1 hour footage. See you on the next one, guys.